The doll is smelly and dirty. Put the trash into the trash can. Ah, there are mites! Get rid of them quickly. Awesome! All the mites are gone. Remove the bubble to get doll clean. She's clean. Dress her. Bow tie. Bow tie. She's really cool. Awesome. Now you can do household chores alone. Gimme 5. Where do you want to clean? Aw, there are scratches on the shoes. The friction will melt the candle. It's amazing! The scratches are gone. Decorate the shoes. The shoes are very dirty. Let's clean them. Put the shoe keeper into the shoes first. Amazing! The shoes are very white. You have to clean your shoes often. Polish the shoes. Your shoes shine like a mirror. Yay! I'm the master of cleaning. Kiki! Gimme 5. Where do you want to clean? Aw, the bicycle's very dirty. Put the trash into the trash can. Apply toothpaste to the rusted areas. with mud. Let's clean it. Change the color of the bicycle. Wow, your bicycle is stunning! Yay! I'm the master of cleaning! Kiki! Gimme 5! Where do you want to clean? Wash the coffee cup. Wash the baby bottle. First, turn the cap to open it. Use the brush to clean it. You've removed all the stains. The pan is dirty. Put the residue into the trash can first. Rinse it out. Dry it to prevent mold growing. Well done! Sterilizing dishes often is important. Where should you put them? Push the switch to sterilize. Good job! You've cleaned all the dishes. Awesome! Now you can do household chores alone. Gimme 5. Where are we cleaning today? Let's do the laundry. A liquid or a powder detergent? Choose one. Powder detergent. Turn on the washing machine. The laundry is done. take the clothes out of the washing machine. A liquid or a powder liquid detergent. Dry the clothes. T-shirt, t-shirt, socks, socks, skirt, long pants. The sun is coming up. You are the best. The clothes are perfectly dry. The clothes are wrinkled. Iron the clothes. Wow, they look new. Wow, they look new. Fold the clothes. You finished. Sort the clothes. Short pants, t-shirt, skirt, socks, t-shirt, t-shirt, socks. Good job, you are done with the clothes. Awesome, now you can do household chores alone. Give me 5. Where do you want to clean?